You, Madam Speaker, and I also wish to thank the Honourable Member for his questions. Madam Speaker, the municipal elections may be decided upon after the review of the Local Government Act and also the associated legislation. Thank you.
Supplementary question.
Why is the government delaying the democratization of local government under the pretext of reviewing the Local Government Act?
Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, for the information of this August House, the work has begun. There is a local government committee in place who are visiting all municipalities in terms of boundary. The Town Planning Act consultation has begun. The Act is not only about electoral system. There are other legislation that needs to be addressed. And I have said earlier on in this House that we're going to have a holistic approach to this review. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Honourable Salatin Rodo, you have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. In his response in February, I believe it was February last year that this question had come up, and the Honourable Minister had stated that the review of the Local Government Act was in the AG's office, Attorney General's office. So can he explain what's the progress of that act, or it's still sitting there, or it has taken a year for that piece of legislation to progress through AG's office? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. When did I say that it's sitting at the AG's office? Yeah. What is sitting at AG's office? Be specific about it. Thank you.
Thank you. I now give the floor to the Honourable Bande for the third and last supplementary question.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Now, with enormous delays and poor delivery of services, while the ratepayers are denied the right to manage their own municipalities. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. As I've said just now, that the process has begun. What else? What else to say? What else they want to know, Madam Speaker? The Local Government Committee has started their work. The Town and Country Planning Department has started consultation on the town planning. What else they want? Thank you.
Thank you.